In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change my profile picture in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to make your new photo appear the way you want across your account. Start by logging into your Skool account. Whether you're on the website or using the mobile app, make sure you're signed in so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile picture, or, if you don't have one yet, a colored circle with your initials. Go ahead and click or tap that avatar to open your account menu. From that menu, choose Profile. Depending on your version, you might instead go to Settings and then select Edit Profile. Both paths lead you to the same place where you can update your personal details, including your profile photo. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct page by locating your current avatar at the top of your profile. Now look for an option that says Change Profile Photo, or keep an eye out for a small camera or photo icon sitting on or next to your avatar. That icon is your shortcut to uploading a new image. Click or tap it, and a file picker will open. Choose a new photo from your device. Skool typically supports common formats like JPG and PNG. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit image where your face is centered. Square images tend to display the most consistently, and avoiding very wide or tall images helps prevent awkward cropping. If the platform offers a quick crop or zoom tool, use it to frame your face so it looks good at smaller sizes. Once you've selected your image, upload it. You'll usually see a preview so you can confirm it looks right. If everything checks out, save your changes. The Save button might say Save, Update, or something similar, and it will lock in your new profile picture. Give the system a moment to process. Your new photo should appear on your profile immediately, and it may take a few seconds to update everywhere else within the app or site. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or navigate to another section and back. If you're not satisfied with how it looks, simply repeat the process and try a different photo or adjust the crop. That's all there is to it. You've logged in, opened your profile, selected the Change Photo option, picked an image, uploaded it, and saved. Enjoy your refreshed look in Skool.